Hello guys, welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can hide a conversation in Google Chat. So first of all, you have to be in the app library and then just tap on Google Chat. And now after you're there, go to inbox and tap on the conversation that you want to hide. Go to this username right beside the profile picture. And now you can see right below notifications an option called hide conversation. So if you just tap it there, then you'll be able to hide your conversation. So guys, that's how you hide a conversation in Google Chat. If you found this video helpful, please like it and leave a comment down below. And if you want more videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. We'll see you again next time.